quite interesting car. Let's check this one out. 1976 Lincoln Mark IV Black Diamond Luxury Group car. Now, if you take a look at the data tag on this, or door tag, I guess, if you will, you're going to see that this is a 1L paint code, which is Black Diamond Fire Metallic. There is 1,587 total of these made in this particular model, the Black Diamond Luxury Group. Now, if you take a look here at the roof, it has the optional power moonroof or sunroof. That breaks it down to only 317 that were built. And not only that, there's I would say probably a handful, just a few that were reportedly made in this dove gray Versailles velour interior. So what an interesting car. Now, if you want to check out still pictures so you can see that door tag that I'm talking about, the underside, the interior, check out this car from top to bottom, inside and out. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can always call us with any questions on this car, 507-386-1726. So quite rare car. Be a great one to drive, have a little fun the way it is, or maybe bring it back to its former glory. As you can see, the front end chrome does show a little bit of its age right in the front, but the grille, as far as the Mark IV grille and everything, looks nice. A little bit of bubbling here on the hood. So I mean, yes, are there imperfections? Does the paint show its age? Absolutely. But if you're looking for a rare car, not going to see every day, and especially if you're into the Lincoln Mark series, this is an interesting one. Coming back here to this Landau roof, this would actually be what they considered a Cayman grain vinyl, which is correct to this package. And just crazy, the power roof and everything is working. Now are some in-ops on the car. It has a 460 underneath the hood, V8 of course, that's paired up with a C6 automatic transmission. Power steering, power brakes, AC. I have not had the AC blow cold. And also power seat on the driver's side is going to need a little bit of attention. That's in-op. So we'll need some TLC to bring back to its former glory, but what a car to start with. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And once again, those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Got a chance to take a look at the chrome of the rear bumper. Take a look up and down the driver's side. A little trim piece. We need a little TLC here. But overall, the panels seem pretty darn straight. And then let's take a look at this interior. And again, just a few were reportedly made with this FS code, I believe it was, which is the dove gray Versailles velour. Take a look at the door panel. Seating surfaces, not bad condition at all, considering age of the vehicle. And you'll be able to see the rear seats in the still pictures, close to 100 pictures or so of this car online. Take a look at the dash here before we start it up. Let's hear it run. Dash in nice shape. Aftermarket Pioneer stereo is added, FYI. Also, those headlight doors, I'm going to click on the headlights here. As you can see, doors must open. We'll check that out when we get up front. Odometer reached 30,754. You know, once a car is so old, the miles are not recorded on the title anymore, so it's just marked as exempt. I can't confirm whether that is original or not. It does show a low fuel light, although the gauge reads about a little over a quarter, FYI. Other than that, no other lights on. Here's the radio, fires up. You can check that and see if we get a station. Radio is in working order. I have not had the wipers working, FYI. 460 underneath the hood runs smoothly. Let's go ahead and slip around to the back. Let you hear it run. We'll check out the underside also. What you'd expect, I guess, out of a Lincoln of this era. All right, I'm going to slip up to the front. Let me pause this a second, and we'll check out that engine bay. First of all, let's take a look at those headlight doors. Absolutely working order. So let me pause this, open the hood, check out that 460, and we'll wrap this video up.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, hood popped. There's the engine bay, actually nice and tidy underneath here. And again, power steering, power brakes. Now you can see the air compressor or AC compressor is detached from the belt, so that would take some attention. But smooth running V8, and again, nice, tidy, clean engine bay. Sounds good, looks good under here. AC was converted once upon a time, as you can see there too. 134 from the R12. Very interesting car and rare, no doubt about that. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726, 1976 Lincoln Mark IV Black Diamond Luxury Group. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.